are officially live here, okay? And this video here is for all my Instagrammers out there, everybody that signed up on the platform to promote the Overnight Millionaire. Understand this. Now, we're no longer on ClickBank. Let me say it again. Do not send any traffic to the ClickBank network because you won't get paid, because Overnight Millionaire is not on that platform, okay? We are live. So guys, this video will be on YouTube as well, okay? So I just want to show you guys step by step basically what you need to do. If you have an account already with Digistore using this link here, let me show you again. This link right here, okay? I know some of you guys are brand new. You don't know what's going on. It's okay. We're going to teach you as well how to make money online, okay? See that? Make sure you use that link. That's going to automatically give you 92% commissions promoting the Overnight Millionaire. Okay, Overnight Millionaire is basically a personal development product that I created 2 years ago that I used to make $1 million in the first 45 days of me basically going through this process here. We've sold hundreds of thousands of this so far, and now we're basically allowing affiliates like you to promote it on these platforms here. This is Digistore, which is an affiliate marketplace, which allows us to give you the product so you can sell it easily online using your social media, using your Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and make a ton of money. Now understand, in the next 45 days, I will earn $1 million, but I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Step by step, basically. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. But this is for the people first that understand what affiliate marketing is. They understand what internet marketing is. So, and they already have ads that are ready to promote. How many of you right now have ads ready to promote to start making money right now, okay? Now, this is my affiliate account, my vendor account here. And as you can see, so let me show you something here. As you can see right here, we're already making money. We just started our campaigns, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go to 0 to $1 million. So 7 times a week, I'll go live and I'll show you the numbers. I just basically wanna show you this is real. And if I show you like step by step in front of me, like right now, you're in your bedroom, in your car, maybe on your couch, I don't know what you're doing, but you should be promoting this product here because myself and a bunch of you are gonna make a ton of money, okay? So if you already have your Digistore24 account, all you need to do, and I will leave a link right below this video in the description section, you wanna go to the marketplace, okay? Marketplace allows you to see all the offers. The offer that you want to promote that's gonna make you potentially rich and wealthy is Overnight Millionaire. Can I get an amen? Let's go, okay? Overnight Millionaire. And this is it right here. Last month, we did $500,000 on ClickBank. The previous month, we did $400,000 on Skype. So we know what we're doing, but this platform is so incredible because it pays the affiliates very handsomely. It's very easy to use. You can see your numbers, and they're very flexible when it's time for us to do the marketing side of the business here, okay? So right here, I know you see 80%, but as long as you use that link, can somebody put it below for me? As long as you use this link here, and I will put it in the description below. You may say, Wesley, I don't want 80% because I want to leave my job this week and I want to earn $15,000 a month. All you need to do is this. Boom. Go to that link, and that creates your account in my 92% platform here. It's a very exclusive group, but you just have to use that link. If you don't, you just get 80%. But if you want 92% right now to live your dreams, there you go. Make sense? Okay, great. Now, if anybody is already running ads for me, say if you are running ads on ClickBank, right? And you may say, well, Wesley, I understand that you're done with ClickBank. You guys had a divorce here. Y'all didn't agree on a couple of things, but now I want to use Digistore. Here's your affiliate link, okay? It's very easy to use. You just switch this link out with the current link. Does that make sense? Switch this link out with the current link, okay? All right, and let me show you guys the numbers here because I know some people just don't believe nothing. Here we go. Look, that's yesterday. We made $9,000 and only spent $2,000 on Facebook, which means it works. That's why right now we're already making money. We just launched this 60 seconds ago. And we're already bringing in sales. So if you already have ads that have already been running with Overnight Millionaire, just switch out your ID with the Digistore ID. Does that make sense? Any questions for me? And that's it. It's a simple process. Now, if you're a brand new person, you don't understand what internet marketing is yet, just go here. Just go here. I do a live class here with Ariella, which is one of my partners here. I taught her how to do this. She's 29 years old, and I made her a multi-millionaire. According to her, she said I made her rich, and I just gave her the tools to be rich. So if you're brand new, don't know what this is, don't understand nothing about what I'm talking about, ClickBank, Digistore, Marketplace, EPC, CPA, whatever, just go to that link, and it's a class you can take, and you'll understand everything that I'm doing online to do millions of dollars per month. Does that make sense? And it's free, okay? And it's free. Make sense? If you're brand new, just go to that link, because some of the language and jargon that I'm talking about as far as the internet, you don't understand. I am a nerd, and I've been doing this for a very long time, but I want to teach brand newbies. Like if you're a new person, if you're not technical, if you don't understand what our internet is besides going to Instagram or social media, you can do this, okay? It doesn't matter. You can do this. Does that make sense? All right, much love here. Okay, any questions for me? Yes, I'll put this on YouTube, and I might put it on Facebook as well, so you can go through it. Again, we're in person. All you need to do, once you get your link, once you sign up with the DIGISTORE24 platform, look in the description, make sure you click on that link. If you don't, then you won't get 92%. You're going to get 80%. Okay? I want you to get 92%. Make sense? More money in your pocket. Okay? See all these people? 50, 50. See, these people, they're not serving people properly, in my opinion. I want people to make money. To do that, I have to use the Walmart and the Jeff Bezos philosophy. Those Amazon, those are billion dollar companies. So my ideology, my philosophy is this: if I give you more commission, then you're more eager to promote the product. Does that make sense? That's how I'm gonna be number one. Okay, let me put the link up there again. Here's the link. If you want to join this platform here, you need to do it tonight, like right now. Get it done. Don't procrastinate like most people do. And now for you skeptical people, well, I want you to be skeptical, but still follow me and watch how you see the money comes in on autopilot. Most of you that's listening to my voice, in the next 45 days will make your first $5,000 to $10,000 per month profit. Easy. We're basically because you just paid attention, you listened, and you believe that it was possible for you. Okay? If you don't have a Digistore account, make sure you go here and get it now. Okay? Got it? Cool. If you are a person that already have ads that are running and you want to stop them because you had a ClickBank ad and you want to switch over to Digistore, go to an affiliate marketplace. You know, as a matter of fact, let me log out. Let me just log out here. I'm gonna log out. All right. Log out. Remember, don't click that button. Use the link that I gave you. It's in below. If you want 92%, if you want 80%, use this link. But if you want more commission, you got to use the link that I just showed you or that's in the description below. Okay? Then all you do is go to Marketplace. Very simple here. Scroll down to Personal Development here. And this product here, it just basically helps you become a millionaire, to be honest with you. I have the mindset of the millionaire that have to choose to make a bunch of money here. I've had so many people that email me on a daily basis say, Wesley, this program is a blessing from God. Why isn't anybody else doing this? Because I actually care about people. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like them around me, but I like talking to them online. I'm just kidding. I love people, but I like positive people, not negative, but there's a lot of negative people on the planet here. But I like people who have not given up. I love people who are striving for greatness, because I did the same thing. It took me 7 years to understand this. With you, in a year, 2 years, maybe sooner, you'll get it and you'll understand how easy it was to win. Okay? So here it is. You hit the Promote Now button, but you have to log in with your ID, right? That's not my ID here. But once you log in here, and when you hit the promote button, see? That's your link. That's what you need. Boom, boom, boom. And that's it, guys. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. And like I said before, the first 10 people, if it's you, the first 10 people, feel free to tag a couple of people below that have a confirmed sale, okay? If you made a sale on the network, and I look in here, as you can see, we're still making money. We just launched like 60 seconds ago. We're making money every second right now. If I see you as a confirmed sale and my top affiliates here, I'm going to send you some money for your ad budget. All right? To qualify for that, all you need to do right now is tag 3 people below. Tag 3 people. Tag your business partner. Tag your friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, mama, daddy, anybody that needs money. There's a very simple process. Throughout this week, I will give you other tips to do this. If you go to my YouTube, I have many videos that show you how to promote these products online. It's very simple. I have too many people that have done exactly what I'm teaching here, and they're making $30,000, $40,000 a month. It doesn't matter. You could be 18, 44, 55, divorced, married. It doesn't matter. Side piece, side chick. It doesn't matter. If you have a brain, if you have fingers or a laptop or a phone, anybody can do this. And I'm going to show you proof, because I'm going to come live and I'm going to show you my account, and I'm going to show you the accounts of other people that I'm mentoring like you. Okay? So if you want to be in that top 10, all you need to do is tag 3 people. Once I see you tag 3 people right now, as you hear my voice, then you will be in that pool of people that when you get your first confirmed sale, send me a DM with that receipt, and you are going to get a Cash App or a PayPal from me immediately to make money. If you want Facebook ad advice, you need to go here. That's another extensive training that I don't have time right now to do because I have to go to the spa, okay? You just go to Sleep Money right here, and that'll teach you a little bit how to promote products here. All right, guys, much love. I love you guys so much. Remember, overnight millionaire is live. Let's go. Be relentless, persevere. For 60 days, I'm grinding until I see 1 milli per month. So the question is, what are you going to grind for? Are you going to grind for the boss? Are you going to grind for the company? Or are you going to grind for yourself?